Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare GMC Sierra Denali vs Ford F-150 Platinum. Follow along as I break down powertrains, towing, tech, and cabin comfort so you know which truck suits your needs. We will look at engine choices, payload numbers, and real-world features that matter most to buyers, like leather seating, infotainment responsiveness, and storage solutions. I'll point out practical pros and cons to make your decision easier and more confident. I'll walk you through engine options from V6 turbo to V8 and hybrid choices, and explain how power translates to towing numbers and daily driving. We'll compare peak horsepower, torque curves, and how transmission behavior affects towing responsiveness. I'll also cover key towing tech that improves safety and ease, and discuss fuel economy differences under load so you understand long trip costs and towing practicality before you pick a truck. Quick recommendation: if you pack lunches for long drives or job site days, try these leak-proof meal prep containers for tidy, spill-free storage and easy stacking. I like them for busy weeks when hauling tools or camping with the truck, and they clean up fast. They make meal prep painless and save money on takeout. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Next, we'll explore how each truck treats driver and passengers with materials, seat support, and noise insulation. I'll compare infotainment responsiveness, phone integration, and available driver assists like adaptive cruise and lane keep. We'll also look at cargo flexibility, bed features, and smart storage touches that matter for work and family life. And I'll summarize which cabin design better suits comfort seekers or heavy-duty users.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.